band in the back. So I've got two posters. Margaret and Mommy-in-law each get one. So we'll give Mommy-in-law one as well. Seriously, folks, we're going to have a good time tonight. This is 64 from Nashville. They can introduce themselves, but you just need to know. These are all folks that do music by day and play Beatles music by night. And we welcome them to Zanesville. So, 64.
Gotta do some house cleaning here in just a second.
Carolyn. You got it.
Thank you so much for coming out tonight and enjoying Beatle music with us. We'll play a little bit of everything from the earliest of earliest to the latest of latest. So
Thanks.
feel free to sing along, dance along, do whatever. That's what the music's about. Here we go.